everyone, it's so funny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I completed this easy protective hairstyle, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So I braided my hair in 8 cornrows. I know they're not perfect, but that's how I like it. The hair I'm going to be using today is the X-PRESSION pre-loop crochet hair, color number 2. This is how the hair looks out of the package. The fact that the hair is already pre-looped, it takes less time to install. I love it. It took me 15 minutes or less to install it. This hair is soft, it feels natural, it's not heavy at all, and it has a lot of volume. Now I am sliding my crochet needle underneath my cornrow and open the latch and attach the hair and close the latch and pull it through. While the needle inside the loop, I'm taking any random piece of hair and attach it to the needle hook, pull it and make a knot. Okay, we're gonna try one more time. Slide it, attach the hair, close the latch, and pull. Take a piece of hair, put it inside the needle, close the latch, and pull. Then make a knot. See how I leave some space in between? I don't want it to be too full. You can add more hair if you want, but keep in mind this hair have lots of volume. It can get really big. I use 1.5 packs. This part is optional. I like to shape the hair. I'm cutting off the pieces that I feel like needs to be cut. My result. I really hope you guys love this tutorial. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and you may share with your friends and family, and feel free to talk to me in a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.